Good morning, good morning. It's Saturday. Whee! So I woke up to this like popping sound this morning. And I'm like, what is happening? And I will show you exactly what's going on. Steve is burning. See? Fire! He had a massive pile of like prune stuff that Steve did a while ago. And now he's burning it. Hooray! Fire! Still got we've got a lot of bamboo to do. There was a massive pile there. So there you go. I'm gonna go have some quick breakfast and play games with Kat, and then when she's getting off because she's got to go do something, I'm going to record an episode of Rags to Riches on The Sims because I feel like it. I thought, why not? I haven't recorded a game video for a while, and then she'll come back and we'll play again. So my day pretty much consists of the computer. So I'll see you guys when I'm on the computer. Goodbye. Hello. So I just played a game with Kat and Jared. It's called Viscara Cleanup Detail. I don't know. It's that thing down there. That thing that's highlighted. It was so much fun. Oh my gosh, it was heaps of fun. With all my crazy hair because I had a shower. Right now, I'm actually going to record a episode of The Sims. A Rags to Riches episode. So yeah, I'm going to figure out how to do that. So I will catch you guys after I've recorded. Bye. Hello. So I have Kat and Jared on chat. We're playing that game again, which is cool. So I'm playing that. This is what I'm going to do for the evening. So I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye. Hello, good morning. It's Sunday. Woo! So now, I decided to grab this because Steve's feeding the chickens and they're loving the food. Hello.
She'll have it. This one. There you go. Jump again.
Oh. Hello.
This is the fun chasing. Jung. Oh, just a little pizza. Hey, you want some more?
Run!
You're very cute.
She is, isn't she?
What about some... I won't tell you what this is. Bacon. Bacon?
Hey puppies! Hey girls! Any eggs? There's 4. Good morning! Hello! Good morning, good morning! Hello! Alright. Have a great day. They've got lots to eat. Yay! Hello! So I can definitely say to you, this weekend is definitely a boring vlog. There's not much happening at all. I'm not going anywhere, I'm not doing anything. But right now, I'm going to sit on my computer and play some Stormworks because I'm building like a plane. Let me get it up and I'll show you what I've done so far. There's a little bit that I've got to change. Because last night I thought about it when I went to bed. I'm like, wait, I shouldn't have that like that. It should be something like a bit different. But I'll quickly show you what I've been working on. I'm making a plane. I've actually got to change that to be a bit more pointy, but it's a plane. Change that and then change, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, so I'm going to do that, and yeah, that's really all that's happening, so I will see you guys later, bye. Hello, so the evening's progressed, it's like 2:28, we're playing Tom Clancy Recon loading screen at the moment, because we died. failed a mission. But yeah, like I said, this weekend's vlog is going to be very boring. Yeah, I'll check in later. Steve's at golf with Aaron, so I'll check in with you guys later. Bye! Hello! So I had fun on Stormworks. Well, I had fun with Kat and Jared for a bit, and then they had to go. Not really sure why. So I think their auntie came over or something. So yeah, so I moved over to Stormworks, finished building like the front of my plane so it has a nose. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go head out there and hang with Steve and lock the chickens up and do all that kind of stuff. So sorry for that this one was boring, but next week I'm hoping to make it really exciting because it's my 100th vlog next weekend, which will be exciting. So if you got this far in the video, type in the comments another boring vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!